In problem 7, we are looking to see what the limit of this function f of x is. Here's our function, looks discontinuous, as x approaches 6. So here is 6. Now, as we get really close to 6, what is the function value getting close to, if anything? Well, look what happens here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to draw a little interval around 6. So if we're in this interval here, as long as we're anywhere in here, we're close to 6, say. Now, as we come in from the left side, say we come in from the left side. As we come in from the left side, what's happening? Well, we're coming down this curve, and we're approaching, what's our altitude doing? Our altitude, we're descending, looks like we're descending here toward 2. You can see it, right? As we're approaching 6, as we get really close, we're actually in this interval. As we get close to 6 in this interval here, our altitude is descending toward 2. So why don't we say that like this? The limit of f of x as x approaches 6, say from the left side, that seems to be 2. Now, as we come in from the right side, let's come in from the right side here, all right? So we're to the right of 6. Now, as we come in from the right side, let's approach here. Well, as we come in from the right side, say we're on this curve here, on our function, moving up. We're ascending. Our altitudes are increasing toward what value? Well, they're increasing toward 4. Now, they never get to 4, right? Because we're just approaching 6. We don't get to 6. But as we get closer and closer to 6, here, as we get closer and closer to 6, like traveling along the curve, as we come in toward 6 from the right, our altitude is ascending toward, where are we? 4. So we're going to say that like this. The limit as x approaches 6 from the right side of f of x, this is 4, and because the limit as x approaches 6 from the left of f of x is not equal to the limit, let's try that again, the limit as x approaches 6 from the right of f of x, we're going to say that the limit as x approaches 6 of f of x does not exist. And how about if we just write d n e?